Hey everyone! Today we are going to talk about something very interesting, the price of silver in 2025. Many people are asking, will silver soar or crash? In this video, we will try to understand what might happen to silver and why. Silver is a precious metal, just like gold. People buy silver for many reasons. Some buy it as an investment, hoping its price will go up. Others use silver in industries like electronics, solar panels, and medicine. So the demand for silver comes from both investors and industries. To predict the silver price in 2025, we need to look at a few important factors: the economy, inflation, interest rates, and supply and demand. Let's start with the economy. When the economy is weak, investors often buy silver as a safe investment. This is because silver, like gold, holds value even when money becomes less valuable. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, silver prices went up because many people wanted safe investments. On the other hand, when the economy is strong, people invest more in stocks and businesses, and sometimes silver prices go down. Next, we have inflation. Inflation happens when the prices of goods and services rise over time. When inflation is high, money loses value. In such times, people buy silver to protect their money. Historically, silver has been seen as a hedge against inflation. So if inflation stays high in 2025, silver prices could rise. Interest rates also affect silver prices. When central banks raise interest rates, borrowing money becomes more expensive. This often makes stocks and other investments more attractive than silver. As a result, silver prices may fall. But if interest rates stay low, silver can become more appealing because it does not pay interest but still holds value. Another key factor is supply and demand. Silver is mined in countries like Mexico, Peru, and China. If mining decreases or production slows down, silver becomes rarer. This can push prices up. On the other hand, if mining increases or if people sell a lot of silver from their investments, the price can go down. Industrial demand is also important. Silver is used in solar panels, smartphones, medical equipment, and even electric cars. As technology grows, the demand for silver can increase. For example, the push for renewable energy may increase the need for silver in solar panels. This could be a positive factor for silver prices in 2025. Now let's look at some expert opinions. Many analysts believe that silver has the potential to rise because of high demand from industries and the chance of economic uncertainty. Some predict silver could reach new highs if inflation continues and economies face problems. However, other analysts warn that silver is volatile. Its price can change quickly, and it could drop if investors move to other assets or if interest rates rise sharply. It is also important to note the influence of gold. Silver often moves with gold. When gold prices rise, silver usually rises too. So if gold becomes more expensive in 2025, silver might also see gains. But remember, silver is more volatile than gold, meaning its price can go up or down faster. So, what does this all mean for silver in 2025? Honestly, no one can predict the future with 100% accuracy. Silver could soar if inflation stays high, industrial demand increases, and the economy faces uncertainty. On the other hand, it could crash if interest rates rise sharply, economies stay strong, or investors lose interest. If you were thinking of investing in silver, it's important to be careful. Silver can be a good addition to your portfolio, but it is risky. Many investors recommend buying silver slowly over time instead of all at once. This strategy is called dollar-cost averaging and can reduce the risk of buying at a high price. Also, consider different ways to invest in silver. You can buy physical silver, like coins or bars. You can also invest in silver ETFs, which are funds that track silver prices. Another option is silver mining stocks, which are companies that mine silver. Each option has its own risks and benefits, so it's important to do research before investing. In summary, predicting silver prices for 2025 is not easy. There are many factors at play, including the economy, inflation, interest rates, supply and demand, and industrial use. Silver has the potential to rise, especially if global uncertainty continues, but it can also fall quickly, as it is a very volatile market. If you want to invest in silver, think carefully about your goals and risk tolerance. Don't rely only on predictions. Keep an eye on the news, the economy, and silver demand. And remember, investing is a long-term journey, not a quick way to get rich. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on silver and other investments. Comment below what you think will happen to silver in 2025. Will it soar or crash? Thank you for watching.